back to my channel, Veggies at Living. Today we are going to have a very simple dish, just one pot meal, chicken stew with some veggies, and the unique part of this dish is that we are going to cook with coconut cream. So it's coconut chicken stew. The ingredients for this dish include chicken, coconut, cabbage, bell peppers, red onion, potatoes, and salt. Welcome, let's cook together. Okay, we are going to start our stove in a medium heat, and we will start to put our chicken and potatoes, because these are the ones that are going to take a lot of time. You will make sure that amount of water that you put will cover all of the chickens. I'm also going to add some little amount of salt and I will let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to add our carrots and onion. Remember, we are not going to add any kind of oil. The bell pepper, because they are more light, and cabbage will be the last one to put with the coconut. So I'll let the carrots and onion cook for 5 minutes. In the medium heat. As you can see, after 5 minutes, our carrots and onions are well done. So I'm going to add bell peppers and my cabbage. Then I will add my coconut milk or cream. You can use coconut cream or coconut milk, and I will let it simmer again for about 5 minutes again, and our meal will be done. It's doing well, and well cooked. Can have it in the morning, brunch time. But as you can see, our Our potatoes are still crunchy and our veggies are still very fresh, very green. We are not going to overcook any of them because we want them to remain very, very crunchy and fresh. So, meal's done. Let's go and serve it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and this is our final product. Please don't forget to comment and tell me how did you find this dish.